farm.
Let's play today. Use our ears in a special way. Listen up, search around for different animal sounds.
I hear with my little ear something kind of loud.
Oink, oink, oink.
Hey, it's a piggy snout. He rolls around in a big mud bath.
Oink, oink, oink.
He makes us laugh.
Oink, oink, oink goes the pig. I hear with my little ears something near that tree.
Buzz, buzz, buzz.
Hey, it's Bumblebee. He drinks nectar from a flower now.
Buzz, buzz,
It's
buzz.
such a funny sound. Buzz, buzz, buzz goes the bee. I hear with my little ear something going back and forth.
Swish, swish, swish.
Hey, it's Heidi the horse. She swings her tail from side to side.
Swish, swish, swish. From left to right.
Swish, swish, swish goes the horse. I hear with my little ear.
A new sound, what is that?
Scratch, scratch, scratch. Hey, it's Go-Go the cat. She's sharpening her kitten claws.
Scratch, scratch, scratch.
Go a little pause. Scratch, scratch, scratch goes the cat. I hear with my little ear something strange and new.
Slurp, slurp, slurp.
It's Letty eating food. She slurps spaghetti from a bowl.
Slurp, slurp, slurp.
Now we know that slurp, slurp, slurp goes the lamb. We played a game and we learned some sounds today. We listened up, searched around for different animal sounds. So many sounds for you and me here on Lellobee.
Hi, it's me, Rishi. Today it's Holi, the Festival of Colors. I'm going to show Ella what it's all about.
Everybody gather round, let's bring the colored powder out.
Yay!
Look how special, look how bright. It's called Gula, yeah, that's right. Orange, yellow, green, and blue. Even some magenta too. Holy hey, holy hey, the Festival of Colors. Holy hey, such a happy day. Holy hey, throw the powder in the air. Vibrant colors everywhere. Holy hey, Festival of Colors.
Now it's time to make a treat. Gujia, so nice and sweet.
Put some nuts and fruit inside. Fry the dough, give it a try. They're all dipped in syrup now.
So delicious, wow, wow, wow.
Holy hey, the Festival of Colors. Holy hey, such a happy day.
Now it's time for us to play. Holi is my favorite game.
Rub some powder on your friend. Watch how all the colors blend.
Orange, yellow, green, and blue. I love playing Holi with you.
Holy hey, Festival of Colors.
Even all the water has so many different colors. Spray it all around and make a rainbow mess.
Orange, yellow, blue, and green. All the colors in between.
Celebrate all day long and sing this song.
Holy hey, Festival of Colors. Holy hey, such a happy day.
Such a happy day.
Holy hey, Festival of Colors. Holy hey, such a happy day. Holy hey, such a happy day. Yay!
Lellobee lullaby, Lellobee lullaby. Everyone go to sleep.
After a day of fun on the farm, we rest our heads on hay in the barn. Tucked into blankets, sipping our milk. No more adventures, we've had our fill.
Lellobee lullaby, Lellobee lullaby. Everyone go to sleep. We're getting getting sleepy, closing our eyes, singing our soft and sweet lullaby. Hug your teddy tightly, turn out the light, sleep in the glow of this starry night. Lellobee lullaby, Lellobee lullaby, everyone go to sleep.
Everyone's sleeping snug as a bug. Oh, but one cat who just needs a hug. What a nice place this farm can be, when all of our friends are soundly asleep.
Lellobee lullaby, Lellobee lullaby, everyone go to sleep.
Hi, these flowers are cold, but before we take them inside, we thought we'd cheer them up with a song.
Well, if you're feeling sad and blue, I have just the trick for you. I'm not just a snowman, I'm a showman. Here we go, let's put on a show.
Show, show,
Let's put on a show.
snow show.
Well, it's easy to put on a show. Just watch and you will see. Anyone can do it if they put their mind to it. Just follow along with me. Twirl your hat.
Twirl your hat,
Just like that.
just like that.
Twirl, twirl.
Twirl, twirl.
Twirl, twirl, twirl. Let's put on a show.
Show, show,
Put on a show.
snow show.
Well, I'm not just a snowman, I'm a showman. Here we go, let's put on a show.
Show, show,
Are you starting to feel a bit better?
snow show.
Well, you don't need fancy dancing shoes. You don't need tricks or spins. You can put on a show with simple farming things. Dance with a rake.
Dance, dance,
Dance with a shovel.
dance, dance.
A wheelbarrow will do.
Dance, dance.
Here's a bucket for you. Let's put on a show.
Show, show,
Put on a show.
snow show.
Well, there's one last thing that I'll show you. It's juggling with veg and fruit. You can juggle with 2 or 3 or 4. And if you're real good, you can juggle with more. Juggle.
Juggle,
Juggle, juggle.
juggle, juggle.
Juggle, juggle, juggle.
Juggle, juggle, juggle.
Juggle, juggle, juggle. Now let's put everything together. Twirl your hat.
Twirl your hat.
Get ready to dance.
Dance, dance.
Juggle some fruit.
Veg and
I'm
fruit.
so proud of you. You put on a show.
We put on a show.
A Lellobee show.
Yeah.